we clean this one and turn it on the other side, and we call it kamik because it looks like a little kamik.
Okay. But it's the gut.
Yeah, it's the gut. Straight here again. Up. On the back. And then I do like this. There's a lot of ways to do it, but you find your method at some point here. You can only learn it now. And then you have to hit it so good that you can see the bones. It's very nice. Very good feeling when you get it right for the first time. And then you just learn how to do it.
Yeah, it takes practice.
Yeah. But down here, the bones are stuck, so you put the knife through, and then you push down.
Okay.
And remove very easy.
Yeah, when you do it.
And you watch
When you,
it?
but when you have to practice, something
It's so
happens.
easy.
I still got a lot to do. I think it takes me a little bit too long to do it.